Hello, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today I'm going to ask you questions related to daily routine. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. First question goes to Ajit. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Now, your turn, Ganesh. Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up early day.
Early every day.
Every day.
Now, your turn. What do you do immediately after waking up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of warm water in the morning.
Now, your turn. Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise in the morning.
Now, your turn. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have breakfast for eggs, bread, and tea.
Listen. I usually have for breakfast. I usually have eggs, bread, and tea for breakfast. Repeat again.
I usually have for breakfast.
No. I usually have I usually have.
I usually have eggs,
Mhm.
tea,
Mhm.
and bread for breakfast.
Yeah, your answer should be like that. Now your turn. Who prepares your breakfast?
I usually prepare my breakfast myself.
Great. Now your turn. What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 7 a.m.
And where do you usually go in the morning?
I usually go to work in the morning.
All right. Now your turn. How do you travel to work?
I travel to work by bus.
Now your turn. What time do you start work?
I work start at 9 a.m.
I start work.
At 9 a.m.
Now your turn. What do you usually do at work?
I usually complete my tasks and communicate with my colleagues.
All right. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy my work because it keeps me busy and productive.
Great. Now your turn. Do you take breaks during work?
Question?
Do you take breaks during work? It's simple, yes.
Yes, this month
I take short breaks.
I take short breaks. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Do you take breaks? Yes, I take short breaks like that. Okay. Now, what time do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at 10 a.m.
Now your turn. What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat lunch for.
I usually eat
I usually eat rice, vegetables, and lentil.
All right. Now your turn. Where do you usually have lunch?
I usually lunch
I usually have lunch at
myself,
my home.
my home.
Yeah, at my room, like that. Where you have to tell place. At place. Now your turn. Do you drink tea or coffee during the day?
I drink tea during the day.
Now your turn. What time do you finish work?
I finish my work at 8 p.m. in the evening.
Now your turn. How do you return home?
I return home by phone,
By bus.
by bus.
If
return
you
by
use foot, then on foot.
yes.
On foot, but
Bus.
by bus.
Bus.
If you walk, then on foot. Now your turn. What do you do when you get home?
I usually relax and
Yeah, I usually relax for a while.
for a while.
All right. Now your turn. What household chores do you do?
I help my family for household chores.
I help my family clean my room, like that. Now your turn. Do you help with household chores?
I help.
Yes,
Yes, I help
I help with
with
household chores. Do you exercise in the evening?
As I sometimes do exercise in the evening.
Now your turn. How often do you exercise?
I exercise. I exercise 2 or 3 times in a week.
Now your turn. Do you go for a walk?
Question?
Do you go for a walk? Yes.
Yes,
or no?
I
Yes.
yes. Yes, I go
For a-
walk.
Yes, I go for a walk. Now your turn. What do you do in your free time?
I usually check my phone
Mm-hmm.
and watch TV.
All right. Your turn. Do you use your mobile phone a lot?
Yes, I use mobile phone a lot, but I try to not use it
Too much.
too much.
Mm-hmm. Now your turn. Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I watch TV every day.
Now your turn. Do you use social media every day?
I check my social media
Mhm.
every day.
All right. Now your turn. What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at around 9 p.m. in the evening.
Now your turn. Who do you have dinner with?
Question.
Who do you have dinner with?
I dinner.
I have
I have dinner with my mother.
with my mother. All right. Now your turn. What do you usually eat for dinner?
I usually eat lentils, vegetable, rice for dinner.
Mm-hmm. Now your turn. Do you study or work after dinner?
I sometimes study and some work after eating dinner.
Mm-hmm. I do some work after eating dinner. Do you read books in the evening?
Yes, I read books in the evening.
Now your turn. What kind of books do you read?
I read educational and motivational books.
Don't say I read. I
I
read.
read.
Mhm. Next question. Do you prepare for the next day?
Yes, I prepare for my next day.
Now your turn. Do you use your phone before bed?
Yes, I use my phone before bed.
Now your turn. What do you do before going to bed?
I brush my teeth and check my plans for next day.
Now your turn. What time do you usually go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. in the evening.
Now your turn. Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Yes, I sleep
Okay.
well. How many hours do you sleep?
I usually sleep 7 to 8 hours.
Now your turn. Do you follow the same routine every day?
Yes, but sometimes my routine changes slightly on weekends.
Slightly
Slightly on weekends.
on weekends. Now your turn. What do you usually do at weekends?
I usually weekends.
I usually travel,
I can
meet.
travels.
I usually travel and meet my friends.
Meet my parents. Travels.
Now your turn. Do you have more free time at weekends?
More free time.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I usually uh,
Have more free time, or no? I don't have
have. Yes,
More-
I usually have
more
more
free-
free time
at weekends.
at weekends.
What is your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day is in the evening because I can rest.
I can rest and relax. Now your turn. Is your daily routine busy?
Yes, I busy with this.
Yes, my daily routine is
Quite
busy. Now your turn. What part of daily routine do you enjoy most?
I enjoy my morning part of the day.
I enjoy morning
Part.
part of the day. Now your turn. Would you like to change anything about your daily routine?
Yes, I would like to spend my most time with my family, exercise and study.
Now your turn. Why is having daily routine important?
Yes, daily routine is important.
Because
Because
what? Because it helps manage my time and stay organized. It's like having daily routine is important. Repeat after me. Having
having
daily routine is important
daily routine is important
because
because
it helps me manage
it helps me manage